welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Tricot knitting collection. But well, before we get into this, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, if you like knitting, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Jardiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Here we have the cover. Well, let's open this up. Here it gives you the table of contents on the side. And over here it shows you how to make a knitted phone case or phone pocket for your phone. Looks kind of cute. It walks you through, of course, all of the materials that you'll need. And then walks you through step by step. You guys tell me, are you guys doing any knitting during this quarantine? You guys tell me down in the comments below. I've been knitting kind of quite a bit. I'm working on a bit of like a shawl thing for the winter. Here it shows you how to knit a bag for shopping. Again, it shows you all of the materials that you'll need and walks you through how to do it step by step. And it teaches you how to also do jersey knit, which you can see there. That's one of the cool things about this collection is that it teaches you how to do different knots for knitting, which is pretty cool. And then here, this is a project I might just do. It shows you how to make your own leg warmers. I love to wear leg warmers in the winter. They're super comfy. So it'd be nice to make my own. And here it teaches you how to do like a pocket with a patch on it. Like that one there. Here it shows you different types of needles. And then here it shows you the sizes, the abbreviations, all of that stuff here. And guys, now it's time to check out the new yarn that we got. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here we have our 2 new yarns. I'm just going to open up this gray one first. Alright, so here we have it, 25 grams of some gray yarn that is very, very soft. And I love this yarn. This yarn is so nice to knit with. But now I'm going to open up the orange. Alright, so here we have the bright orange again. It's 25 grams and it's very, very, very soft. You guys tell me which color do you like the most. I kind of like the orange, but the gray is nice too. You guys tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. And guys, I want to hear from you. What if any projects have you been knitting or crocheting, sewing? I want to know what you guys are up to. Tell me. You can tell me in my social media or down in the comments below. I really want to hear from you guys. But well, that's the end of that. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below I will also have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Tumblr, all of that linked down below. I look forward to seeing you guys over on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.